Iyawan ni Kuya. Uy, kompleto man.
Paano din mamatay ang mag-uod? Agam po. Ay nga, nasa mga ano, kanang buhay.
Isa?
Ano ito na ito ang ikaon sa ano?
Ang imbaw. Mag-imbaw.
Saan tawag yan?
Kakanin lang ma. Go. Say salamat. Salamat.
Ito kay mami oh.
Get one more pa, one more.
Kay mami. Pilang soup. Ito sa ano? Okay na na, guys.
Okay na ni. Ayan, nadaghan na.
Oh my goodness.
You give some to Mayumi. Puto. Ano yan? Mayumi? Mayumi? Come say shit. Come, 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 come. Yumi. Kuya Kahil. Yumi. Hulog ka. Get her down, love. Baba mo siya, Kahil. Baba mo. And Calby is drawing in the morning. And Chico is... What is Chico doing?
Doing nothing but eating. I farted.
6 a.m. guys. Let's sleep.
6 a.m.? Why did you all wake up then?
I have to bring Chico and Calby to the school.
Oh. Hey, I come too.
Oh, Chico, ano yan?
Am I coming too?
No, stay home. You and Mayumi.
No.
We're coming back. The school is just here.
Can you bring Carl somewhere too? He doesn't want to take care of Mayumi. He's so bored.
When did I say I never want to take care of my Yumi?
Are you going to watch TV?
I don't know. Will Mom allow? Only.
Good morning, Bokukai guys. Yeah, Bokukai guys. Bokukai.
I can throw the buko pie for you if you want.
Look. Bokukai. Bokukai. What color do you want to eat?
Chico, run to Auntie Seya, puto. Say meron, ako, puto. Hmm? Meron. Say meron. Akong puto. Be, come here. Meron kasing i-vacuum. Labas ko yung vacuum kasi meron ako nakitang mga, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng yan. Hindi naman siya parang insekto, hindi naman gumagalaw. Pero ayan, dumikit siya sa wall ni Mama. Kay Mama lang din na wall. So, i-vacuum natin together. Kahit Kaya. Ito. Anak, there's 2 machine, love. You can put 2 machine the same time to save time, love. Stop it first. Okay, take care of the other one, then you start them at the same time. Naglagay ka ng tubig and then wash it first a little bit. Why are you walking like that? What's the problem?
The flies are eating me.
Up. Harder. Can you carry the whole gallon to the car? Yeah. Are you strong enough? Good job. Cover them so the dirt will not go in. Ah, you forgot to cover the white thingy back. You have to put it back, yes.
Hear it pop.
It's okay, that's fine.
Look, it's not the
Maybe it's not the one.
what? It's not the one.
Come, come. Come. Oi. Come na, let's go, mama. Come.
Mom, I'll teach her a lesson.
Ah, no.
Wait for her.
Let's go na.
Come. Look. Come. Again. The Lola's done it finally.
The Lola.
Finally. The Lola's done it finally.
The Lola?
Finally. The Lord. The Lola's done it finally. Finally. The Lola's done it finally. Finally.
Mayumi said.
We learned it from Auntie Christy.
Ubus na, Mayumi? Busog na?
Let's sing it.
Water pa, Mayumi, water.
Stretching.
Ay, busog na. Okay, sorry.
Two pieces.
Say thank you, Mama.
Did you finish your food?
Mama, he's the best in singing.
Okay. What did you sing? Can you show me?
He sang a lot of songs.
Like what? Sing for me.
The Lord has done so much. Mom, let me. I can dance very good.
Mom, look. My aunt is feeding me.
Mom,
Okay.
I can dance very good.
Okay, ready, go.
Finally, the Lord has done it. Finally, the Lord has done it. Finally.
Oh, Calby's turn.
Calby's doing like this.
I don't know how to.
Like when you danced before. How do you dance?
Hello, it's nice to meet you, but could you tell me who I am? I don't know how I got here, but I think I'm starting to understand. I don't belong amongst the angels, but darling, that's just fine with me. I don't go to certain high schools, but I got my final degree. It's okay, sorry, but you just got in my way. Sorry, I need.
For Chico, he likes, you like the beat with our own drum.
Yeah. We bounce to the beat around.
A few.
Alright, guys. So, last time nag-post ako kung ano ang ginagamit niya pampalinis ng toilet. And you told me that you are using itong Tough from PC Collections. So, the next day, bumili po ako nito. Actually, dalawa lang. So, ito yung ginagamit ko para mag-spray sa bathroom. Pero napansin ko, pag ito yung gamit ko, mabilis siya nauubos at hindi niya nata-target ang buong kabuuhan ng ating tile wall. So, bumili po ako nitong sprayer. At ang gagawin, naglinis na ako before. So, ang ganda nga naman talaga niya, no? Nawala nga naman talaga yung mga, nakababad na dumi sa wall, sa tiles. So, ang target ko muna ngayon is eto munang tiles. Para makatipid at ma-spray talaga yung buong area, bumili po ako nitong sprayer sa DIY, which is only 30 pesos. Kahil, quietly please. Ayan, so isi-spray lang natin kasi hindi ko pa siya totally makita na malinis after nung first time. So sabi ko, lilinisan ko siya ngayong buwan, and then pag malinis na siya, hindi na kailangan everyday. At least once a week na lang. Medyo matapang yung amoy niya, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, ibababad ko lang siya and then iwan ko lang siya saglit. Ayan. And then brush na lang mamaya. Ayan, mga corner-corner. Lalagyan natin yan. Yan. So, dito muna ako mag-focus sa may sa wall ng aking shower. Dahan-dahan lang. Get the Kahil. Get the vacuum and take it to the bedroom. My bedroom. You have to vacuum under your bed. Yan. So, babad lang natin yan. And then, balikan ko na lang mamaya para kuskus na lang while naliligo. Teacher Beth. Chico is here and Auntie is here, Teacher Beth. Okay, tara. Chico, Calby. Opo. Okay.
I'm going so fast. Is this my school? I'm going.
No. Ano pa kay Chico pa na school? Wow. Auntie, Auntie, I don't have money anymore. You know that. Yeah, they have swing made of tires. Hello, Teacher Beth. Is Teacher Beth here? Teacher Beth. Good morning, Teacher Beth. Good morning po. This is Chico. Bless muna, bless. Oh my gosh. Akala nila. Akala nila si auntie ang mama. I'm the mother po. All the time. They look the same. Because auntie has been with them for all their life. So, ma'am, i-enroll ko muna si Chico po. Ma'am. Talaga po. Teacher ka din ma'am dito, ma'am.
Dati dito ako, pero doon na ako ngayon sa Puruan.
Hi, auntie, you see the classroom is so nice. I like it. This is like a Philippine traditional school setting classroom. It's so nice because you might see in other countries their classroom are not very decorated, but here in the Philippines they're very artistic. Teacher, ang ganda ng classroom mo, teacher. I like. Okay lang, teacher. Nag-video ako, teacher. Vlogger kasi yan si auntie sa YouTube. Auntie is a vlogger and I also vlog. So, vlogger din po yung dalawa.
Okay.
Opo.
Matagal na kayo dito?
1 year na po. Galing kami sa... Guys, magpa-photocopy lang tayo ng mga requirements kasi kailangan pala 2x2 picture, photocopy ng kanilang immunization record, and then PSA copy ng kanilang birth certificate. It's okay po. So, nakapag-photocopy na tayo. Ano pa ako guys, na-worry ako kasi akala ko wala ng PSA copy si Chico. Hinanap ko pa. Yun pala, parang may stamp lang. So, wala siya nung parang green, yellow-green na copy ng PSA. Pero si Calby meron. Nagpa-photocopy na lang ako ng madami-dami. And then, eto pa yung, eto pa yung kay Chico na immunization card from Uganda, Africa. Akala ko nawala ko din. Pero turned out, I kept it pala. So, I'm very happy. Dapat pala wag natin walain to kasi isa pala to sa requirements during yung enrollment, guys. So, nandito naka-record yung pag-anak ko kay Chico. Ayan, kita nyo naman. 2.93 kg nung pinanganak ko siya. Amazing. Ako lang lahat yan, guys. Ako nagpirma, ako nanganak, ako lang din lahat-lahat ng pabaksin. In short, walang ambag sa lipunan kung sino ang walang ambag sa lipunan. So, anyway, guys, dadalhin ko na to kay teacher. Natuwa ako kasi ang ganda ng classroom ng teacher ni Chico, guys. Sobra akong nag-enjoy kakatingin. So, papakita ko sa inyo, magpapaalam tayo kay Teacher Beth kung pwede tayo mag-classroom tour habang hindi pa busy ang lahat. Pag pinayagan tayo, swerte para makita nyo yung classroom ni Chico. Sobrang cute ni Chico ngayon eh. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo. So, dalhin ko lang tong kanilang 2x2 picture dun kay Teacher Beth and then I'll see you guys more on today's episode. Pero hiwalay na po Opo.
Get down.
You have to push yourself. Aray ko. Be. Hawak, mama. Hawak. 1, 1, 2, 3.
Mom, can
Calm down.
you push me higher at the back?
No, this one doesn't go higher because it needs to be safe for the children. Children like you.
Mommy, there's a seesaw.
Saan? Walang si... Calby, calm down. Wow. Wow, galing ng school ni Chico. May swing-swing. Oh, sorry. They're like playing a game.
Mom, why my school can't open only Chico's first?
Chico! Teacher Beth! Teacher Beth! Okay. Wow, ka-cute.
Sige, ansayin ka ni mama, may hawakan ko.
Okay.
Huwag ka malikot.
Don't move too much.
So, 13.5 point. 13.6, no? Gagalaw kasi ang no, 13.6.
Wait pa, saglit. Chico, don't move, nak. Don't move.
13.6.
Almost 14 po. 13.87.
7, no?
Oh, parang 7 po. 13.7. Hi. 1, 2, 3. Ay, And then your height. Your height, dali.
Mabalik pa pala yan siya lang. Si Kubilang? Yes.
Ay, Calby, pick that one.
I know my name.
I know my name. Ay, alisin ang shoes.
Remove the shoes daw, sabi ni teacher. Remove. One more. One more, isa pa. Okay. Go. Your power. Move a bit. One more.
Okay.
Wow.
5?
7.
Ano na siya? 87.
87.
No. 86.5.
Centimeters po?
Opo.
Eternity later.
MMG or MGM? Basta na college dala sa Narangita Street. Hi guys! 10:30 ng umaga. Buti at may time pa tayong maligo. Inuna ko lang talaga yung enrollment ni Chico nyo. And finally, congratulations! He is officially enrolled sa aming maliit, mababang paaralan ng daycare center sa Kanto. So sa wakas, no, matagal na namin napalista si Chico actually guys. At pina-priority ko talaga na sana mapasok siya ng umaga. Ang sabi ni teacher kahapon, puno na daw yung umaga. Pero nakiusap ako kanina, since early naman kami nagpalista, hindi lang nakita ni teacher yung aming record na kung pwede ilipat si Chico sa umaga. At ayun nga, nagawa natin ng paraan. So ngayon si Chico ay papasok ng alas 8 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Ayun. So maganda yung daycare namin guys kasi 20 kids lang sa morning, 20 kids lang sa afternoon. So meron silang cut-off. And nilipat ko na talaga sa daycare kasi yun talaga yung aking initial na plano, na magsisimula lang sila sa international school para magkaroon sila ng warm-up baga. And then after ng international school, ililipat ko sila sa public school para magkaroon sila ng more on Tagalog and local language, local dialect na setting. So I am hoping na dito sa kanilang bagong setting, mas matututo silang magsalita ng aming Bisaya, Ilonggo, Tagalog ng mga dialect natin, at syempre ang ating national language na Filipino. Ayun. And explain ko naman kay teacher kasi narinig ni teacher kanina English daw. Sabi ko, mami, baka mahirapan sila mag-catch up. Sabi ko, teacher, 1 taon ko na rin silang kinakausap ng Tagalog. Nakakaintindi naman sila. Ang ano kasi pag nasa international school, baka mas mahirapan na kung matuto sila mag-Tagalog. So mas maaga, the earlier, mas maganda, the earlier the better. So naintindihan naman ni teacher Beth. A big shout out sa teacher ng daycare na napakabait at napakaganda ng classroom, napaka-colorful. So gustong gusto ko yung ganong setup lang guys, yung pasimple lang, no, wala masyadong yung pasimple lang siya pero merong laman, ganon. So masaya ako sa ginawa ko kanina, and that one is already checked sa to-do list natin. And of course, other than that, murang-mura po talaga yung mga daycare center, mga public school, almost nalilibre. So yung nabayaran ko lang sa classroom ni Chico ay 350 pesos, which is 100 pesos or 150 for the enrollment, and then 200 pesos for the books, I believe. So meron silang libro, pero dahil nga si Chico ay parang daycare style lang naman siya, play school, meron silang yung focus ng kanilang klase talaga is socialization, then merong independence, ayun, syempre. And of course, andyan na din yung mga matututunan nila sa classroom pa konti-konti, yung mga cutting, mga gunting, mga pagdikit ng glue, mga letters, gano'n. So pasimple-simple lang. Pero masaya ako, tapos na din si Chico, babalik na lang si Chico sa first day of school nila, which is sa June 23rd, I believe. And sinabihan na ako ni teacher na mga i-prepare nila sa classroom sa pagpasok nila sa school. So si Chico, kailangan nating bilhan ng bagong shorts. So khaki na naman yung kulay kasi yung old school niya dark blue. Pero yung kanyang polo shirt, tatanggalin na lang yung mga tinahing badges doon, and then yun na lang yung gagamitin niya. Hindi ko na siya bibilhan ng bagong uniform. Same with Calvi din, baka shorts lang yung bibilhin. And for the PE uniform naman, bali red pants lang daw sabi ni teacher, then black shoes at saka white socks. So far, yan lang naman yung pinapaprep, no? And then medyo nagkaroon lang ako ng complication when it comes sa schedule kasi kailangan daw merong mga parents na kailangan mag-report. So nakagroup yung parents, may maglilinis, may magluluto, ganon. So hindi ko alam na ganon pala yung setup sa mga daycare. Hindi ko alam sa ibang daycare. Pero for this one, yun yung magiging setup namin. So sabi ko naman kay teacher, everyday po ba yan or rotation lang? Kasi kung rotation, pwedeng ako bago ako magtrabaho, bago ako maghanap buhay, bago maghanap ng pera, pwede akong mag-hands-on kay Chico kasi si auntie nasa bahay kasama naman ni Mayumi. And sabi naman ni teacher, mag-o-orient daw siya kasi hahatiin daw yung parents. So, I'm actually happy nung sinabi yan ni teacher Beth. So, titingnan natin yung mga sumusunod pang updates. Pero, finally, si Chico ay isang government school student na, guys. So, dahil 3 years old pa lang si Chico, kailangan niya pa ng 2 taon sa nursery and then bago siya papatong sa kindergarten. Whereas si Calvin naman, sa June 9 naman yung kanyang enrollment and he will start his kindergarten. Last na to ni Calvin sa kindergarten 2 and then papasok na siya ng grade 1. So, ayun. So, ngayon muna ako'y pupunta sa gold shop. Sa gold muna tayo magtatrabaho today, guys. Dahil ilang araw na rin tayo hindi nakapagbenta ng alahas. Titingnan natin kung kamusta yung market ngayon sa gold, no? Magla-live selling ako. Sa mga mahilig sa alahas, lightweight, guys. Meron ako mga lightweight, bagong-bago. The same page lang ako nagla-live. Ito lang po, Tindera sa Africa. If you would like to see more of 18 karat Saudi gold, pag mahilig kayo sa mga pasimple lang, katulad nito, ito mga suot ko, mga simple lang yan na 18 karat gold collection. And speaking of, meron palang nagtanong sa akin, Ma'am, can you tell us the story daw about itong kwintas na lagi kong suot? Ano po yung kwento behind your kwintas? Kasi interesting daw. So, this one is heartbeat, I believe. I'm not sure anong tawag ng iba dito, pero ang tawag ko dito heartbeat. This was given to me. Ayan na, makamamaya, machismis na naman tayo, so ayusin natin. Ito binigay sa akin ng aking eldest sister, si Madam Sheena, Bangkok wardrobe, when I was still working sa Thailand. I believe parang I was 20 something, 23 or 24 nung na-receive ko to from my sister, and ever since I never let go of it. So sinusuot ko siya talaga. Ito yung talagang lagi kong ginagamit na kwintas kasi I really like it. Manipis lang, simple lang, and it has sentimental value. This one, ito naman binili ko para sa sarili ko, yung bracelet ko na simple lang. Ayan, hindi naman talaga ako mabigat sa alahas katulad ni Madam Ten Gives na mahilig talaga kahit na may mga ano din si Madam Ten Gives, hindi lahat ng alahas niya naman totoo, pero may mga pieces talaga siya na talagang investment niya talaga. Ayun, so punta na tayo, guys, sa gold shop and then we will see how this day unfold. Ang dami kong gagawin, hindi ko alam, pero ginagawa ko, nililista ko siya para hindi ko siya makalimutan. But I'll see you more, guys, sa araw na to. Much love, Princessy.